that airbox gone, I was able to get something on this to turn this, so this can basically be out the way. So we still got the lines on the bottom attached to it, holding it down. So I'm gonna disconnect those. Okay, so this is blocking the fan from coming out. So I'm gonna disconnect it. Alright, move this out of the way. Twist it so you don't break it. Instead of pulling it off, you twist it off so you don't break it. Then just move it out the way. Alright, with that out the way, the fan's coming out much better. So it's one 12mm bolt right under here that you gotta take out before you can remove the intake. Okay, the intake still have, I don't know why, but it has two hoses that need to be disconnected from the back of it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take them out from here because it's easier. Just gotta remove the top one. Alright, with those hoses removed, you should be able to take it right on out. Unless it's something else. Oh, that's right. You gotta disconnect those plastic lines. And then you can take it out. And there the starter is. For anybody saying that it's easier to do it from the bottom, you ain't gotta take the intake out, all that extra stuff. It literally took me like 30 minutes, if that, to even do this while recording. Not hard at all. And make sure you don't forget to disconnect the battery. I really should do that first, but I just do it whenever I feel like it, honestly. Alright, let's work on getting this off. Like you got a 12mm bolt right here. The reason why I know that is because it's a Kia. Kia use 12, 14, those kind of bolts. So it's a 12 though. I already know it is most likely. And these bolts right here are probably 14s. So yeah. All right, let's see if I was right. Well, I need a shorter one clearly, but it's okay. I was right. Make sure this is not plugged in or you will get shocked. Disconnect this little plastic piece right here so you can be able to move the wire freely. Then you should be able to pull it off. Just like that. Alright, let's see about these. Alright. And there you have it. 14. Toyota, Kia. What's the other one? Hyundai, which is this Hyundai. Y'all use the same kind of bolts, sizes. So really, you can just know without even knowing. That's pretty much how I do it. I ain't even gotta check, I can just look at it. I could use my thing to make it quicker, but I don't feel like reaching back up. I'm just gonna twist it off. Alright. You see it. You see it. Literally 30 minutes to get that out. Alright, just install the new part. Same way you put it in, it's the same way you took it out. Pretty simple. Grab bolts. Hand thread it first. Since I got other things to do today, I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up. But I did hand thread it first. Easy. Hey, reassemble everything. Get on there first. Back on there. Plug the wire in there. Put this back in here. And ready to reinstall. In here. Reconnect the hoses. Put these on the studs. There we go. Slide it all the way back like that. All right. First thing I'm gonna do is put that 12mm bolt that we took off from the bottom back in. Then I'm gonna bolt everything else back up. All right, we're gonna reinstall these. this to snug it on there. Alright, with that back installed, now just reinstall this. Make sure you reconnect all of the wires that you disconnected, like this one. Okay. Don't forget this one. So the reason why I took the fan out, because I'm installing a new fan, because that one is cracked. So that's why I took the fan out. But you don't have to take it out to install the starter, but you can, because it makes it a lot easier. Fan back installed. Just put the bolts back in there, tighten it up. So this is what I mean by this though. So I squeeze this, and now I'm gonna turn this back to the correct angle. Alright, all plugs and connections are back in. Just gotta put this back in and I'm gonna start it up. See what we got.